Hello everyone, Satvik here, and in this video we'll discuss about image OSINT. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. So guys, OSINT is nothing but open source intelligence. So whenever you find an image out there on internet or from your friend's mobile or from anywhere else, so we'll try to dig deep into that particular image. Okay, like we try to find out the information where that image was taken, what are its latitudes and longitudes, okay, what is the data related to like metadata and everything like that. So guys, this video is the first episode of that, and we'll look into them one by one in the upcoming videos. So guys, the first and the foremost thing is called reverse image searching. So reverse image searching is like the searching that particular image, whether to find out the similar kinds of images on google.com. So basically what we do, we search for images on Google, but here we try to upload an image and we check whether there are images that are already uploaded on Google previously or recently or anything like that. So guys, for that you need to navigate to the google.com. Okay, and there you can see something like images over here. You can click over there, and here guys you can see an opportunity to search by image. Click on that, and here you can paste the image URL if you are having, or you can upload that image. So choose the file. Okay, so I'm uploading an image over here. Let me see what happens. So guys, you can see that we got some images over here. So here we also got some image, like there was a tag like roof shingle. Let's see what it is related to. Okay, so roof shingle is like roof, guys. So if you look into that image, it is completely of roofs and stuff. Okay, so I can show you that image. Okay, so these are some like roofs related things. Okay, so let's look into some of the images. Let's see whether we can find something or not. It is not like that. So let me open that image also, guys, so that we can zoom that and we can find out some hints from that image. So guys, if you can see here, we are having some pretty good buildings over here, which are completely of roofs. And something interesting over here is there is something like clock tower, guys. Here there is a clock tower and there are some big towers. So first of all, while you are looking for an image, okay, while you're searching for the image, try to find out some like landmarks or anything that those are unique. Suppose if you take this image, guys, so if you take this building, so this building is common, right? But if you can see here, this clock tower looks a little bit unique over here, and I couldn't find what is this, but even this is a hint, like a hint for us. So let's see whether we can find something related to that or not. So guys, if you can see here, let me open image in the new tab. So here you can see, let me enlarge this. You can find a tower like, but I can't give any assurance that only this is the particular tower, but they are something like that. So let's keep that beside, and let's go to this image. So yes, I think we got it. So let me open the image in the new tab. Where is that option? Open image in the new tab. So guys, if you can see here, we found that you can see the buildings like, and also we got a clock tower here, or any like clock tower, anything like that. And we also got this. Okay, like this is like a tower that we found, like a tower look alike we found in this image. And also we also found this thing, this clock tower, which is like unique. And we also find like similar buildings over there. So we can conclude that this is the image. So this is the image that is similar to us. So if you can see here, let's go to this website over here and let's see what we can find. Let me close this tab, guys. I can't give any assurance that this is the image. Okay, so I'm removing this. So if you can see, it is a Malbashiro Toit. I think it's a restaurant. So the best thing is you can use of maps.google.com and simply paste that thing over here. Let's see what it happens. Here it is. So this is nothing but the location, guys. So you can view into the satellite view and you can find out the things as well. So guys, so what we had done here is we got an image. Okay, let's think we got an image from our friend or anywhere else. So we tried to find out his exact location. Like he might be in something like, let's see where he might be in. So he is in France right now. Okay, so we are able to find out where he is right now. Okay, so this is the restaurant right here. Okay, so from a lame image we found some various information like he which location he was in, okay, and where he was in, and etc etc, everything like that. So this is the reason why you should be careful, or we need to be senseful while uploading images over social media or anywhere else. Okay, so this is a simple challenge, guys, and I would also like to show you another challenge. So this is also one more challenge. So let me go back to the Google. So I found I hope that you found this first challenge simple. Okay, so I'm going to the images once again. So let me see, let me click on images. So this image was taken from Narendra Modi sir's account. Okay, so this was an image that was taken while he had been to Galvan Valley recently. So I simply uploaded this image, and there was some tag like Modi swag. Okay, so that's fine. So you can read into some articles over here, try to find out where he is. So you can read into this. Okay, you can read where he went to along Leh. Okay, as per the reports, and you can also see where he had been to. Okay, so guys, my challenge for you is to find out uh, like to solve these kinds of challenges. So if you can read this article carefully, guys, you can see that Annie reported that the PM is presently at the forward base Indian Army at Nimu. So if you simply search for Nimu over here, don't know whether the place is there or not. If you simply search for Nimu, you can find out where this where Modi sir has been. Okay, so and in the mean and for the next time we'll look into to find out in the next episode, we'll try to find out the exact latitudes and longitudes, or the relevant latitudes and longitude that the person had been to. So stay tuned for the next video, guys, and as always, uh, try to solve out as many challenges as possible. Okay, and try to do uh, more research out there. Okay, so don't limit yourself. So don't look into only the first article, look into the almost all the web pages that you obtain from the internet. Okay, and if you are really curious, do the same kind of reverse image searching even on what you call Yandex, okay, Bing, or any other search engines you can find or you are interested of. So this is everything, guys. I hope you really like this video, and if you really like this video, make sure you like this video and do share with your friends, so that they can get and so that they can understand what the image OSINT means. And really thank you guys for watching this video. This is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you in the next video. And as always, you can post your doubts in the comment section or in the Discord. The links are in the description below. Bye bye, take care, stay home and stay safe.